What's up, everybody? Brian Wagner, senior editor of Dragzine, here in the shop with Ravishing Rick Dorr. You may know him from other films as the Red Dragon roll cage install. We're about to try to fire up Project Number Cruncher for the first time. This will be interesting. This is our 427 cubic inch dart-based engine built by Samtech with all kinds of good stuff. I'll throw the links down in the description below so you can see and get caught up on all the articles. But we haven't fired this car up yet. It has fought myself and Ray Litz. Huge shout out to Ray Litz to help me get this thing finalized. But it has fought us tooth, nail, foot, mouth, every appendage possible. But we're finally to the point where it might start. So let's go inside and see if we can get some fire in the pipes. All right. So as you can see, we've got the fuel tech up right now to make sure we got all of our vitals going. Please ignore the mess inside the car. Still haven't finalized anything yet because, frankly, I'm fully expecting some type of issue when I try to fire this thing up, and, you know, God knows what else is going to happen. So Rick's out there on the throttle body. I'm going to start the fuel pump. We got fuel. Rick, you ready?
Yep.
All right, let's get her started. No shit. Ready? So the last video might got cut slightly short because, frankly, we were shocked that the car fired right up. We were expecting more of a fight, but it fired right up. That was pretty cool. So at this point, we're just going to run the car a little bit more, let it get up to temp, make sure the water pump's doing its deal and everything else. So that's pretty exciting stuff, to say the least, to see that our Project Number Cruncher was alive on the dyno. Now it's alive as a car. Got some small items to figure out, get the trans brake wired up, neutral safety switch. It's got to go to the chassis shop because there was a little bit of an issue getting it certified. We'll give the story on that. That's a whole wild deal in amongst itself. So hopefully we will see Project Number Cruncher at the track very soon. So in the meantime, make sure you check out all the articles on dragzine.com and see everything we got going on.